NASCAR is the pulse of American motorsports, where stock cars and daring drivers hit the track for intense, high-speed action. Since its founding in 1948, it's become famous for thrilling races and close finishes. Unlike F1, NASCAR blends the excitement of wheel-to-wheel racing with iconic tracks, making it a sport driven by passion and fueled by the roar of powerful engines.
Ryan Blaney, he needs to win to get into the championship four. He does it.
With each season, it captivates millions, celebrating the fierce competition and unstoppable spirit of racing. Today, follow Captain Discovery on an exclusive adventure to the NASCAR Car Factory, where the magic of building those sleek, powerful car bodies unfolds. Watch as raw materials are transformed into the aerodynamic machines that hit the track at mind-blowing speeds. Get ready to discover what it takes to build the cars that bring the thrill of NASCAR to life. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating processes from around the world. NASCAR began in 1948 when Bill France Sr., a mechanic and race promoter from Daytona Beach, Florida, saw the need to bring organization and legitimacy to the burgeoning stock car racing scene. These souped-up cars eventually led to informal races, drawing large crowds and creating a strong regional fan base in the South. The first official NASCAR race took place on the Beach Road Course in Daytona in 1948, and by 1949, NASCAR launched its first strictly stock division, which later became known as the NASCAR Cup Series. This was a pivotal moment, as the races now featured standard factory-built cars, making the sport accessible and relatable to everyday fans. As the decades rolled on, NASCAR grew in popularity, expanding its races and circuits and eventually making its mark as a national sport by the 1970s and 1980s. Legendary drivers like Richard Petty, Dale Earnhardt, and Jeff Gordon helped boost its fame, attracting sponsors, TV audiences, and even international attention. Today, NASCAR stands as one of the most popular sports in the United States, with a dedicated fan base and an enduring appeal rooted in its history. The sport has grown to include multiple series, advanced safety measures, and a diverse range of drivers and fans, all while staying true to its high-speed, competitive spirit. The creation of a NASCAR stock car begins with a meticulously crafted blueprint, blending speed and engineering precision. Every line and detail in the design is tailored for the car to handle the extreme demands of high-speed racing. The chassis is planned with durability and precision, capable of withstanding sharp turns and intense forces. The chassis is planned with durability and precision, capable of withstanding sharp turns and intense forces. This stage lays the groundwork for a machine built to excel on race day. And you, which is your favorite NASCAR team? Share now in the comments below. The engine is the powerhouse of the car, delivering over 700 horsepower and sustaining peak performance. Mechanics carefully assemble V8 engines, adjusting each component to maximize power and reliability. These engines are rigorously tested under extreme conditions, proving their ability to thrive in grueling races. The result is a roaring masterpiece of engineering, ready to dominate the track. And did you know NASCAR races are so fast and intense that the drivers experience up to 3 Gs of lateral force while taking high-speed turns on banked tracks? That's about the same level of G-force astronauts feel during a rocket launch. The chassis is an expertly engineered frame, built for both strength and agility. Made from welded steel tubing, it protects the driver while maintaining a lightweight structure for optimal performance. Every weld and joint is fine-tuned for safety and balance, creating a durable frame capable of enduring high-impact collisions. The completed chassis forms the backbone of a competitive NASCAR car. And do you like this content? Subscribe now to Captain Discovery. The body of the car is shaped to cut through the air, reducing drag and improving downforce. Lightweight materials are molded into aerodynamic designs, with every curve and surface crafted for maximum speed and stability. Components like the front splitter and rear spoiler are precisely adjusted to give the car a competitive edge. Once painted and branded, the car becomes a blend of engineering performance and visual impact. The steering and suspension systems provide unparalleled control at top speeds. The suspension is carefully tuned to adapt to the demands of different tracks, allowing the car to remain stable through the corners and straights. The steering system is built for lightning-fast response, giving drivers the precision needed to navigate intense race conditions. These systems transform the car into an extension of the driver's skill and instincts. Tires are the critical connection between the car and the track, designed to handle extreme heat, pressure, and speed.
So let's start with jumping off the wall. When you jump off the wall, by the time that car stops,
each set is tailored for specific track surfaces and conditions, delivering consistent performance throughout the race. Pit crews replace tires in seconds during pit stops, maintaining the car's competitive edge. Once all components are installed, the car is assembled into a cohesive racing machine.
He's booking!
Engineers conduct rigorous checks and push the car to its limits during on-track tests, refining every aspect of its performance. The engine, suspension, and aerodynamics work in harmony, ready to deliver top results. When the car lines up on race day, it represents a fusion of speed, power, and unrelenting pursuit of success.
Ryan Blaney, he needs to win to get into the championship 4. He does it.
In the final part, here's a closer look at 3 of NASCAR's most iconic cars and the legends who drove them. Dale Earnhardt's number 3 Chevrolet Monte Carlo became one of the most recognizable cars in NASCAR history, thanks to its sleek black paint job and fierce driving style. This car, which carried Earnhardt to 6 of his 7 championships, embodied his no-holds-barred approach to the sport. Richard Petty's number 43 Plymouth Pontiac is another car etched in NASCAR's history books, largely due to Petty's record-breaking career. The bright blue color of the car, now called Petty Blue, became legendary and is still associated with his legacy today. Jeff Gordon's number 24 Chevrolet Rainbow Warrior brought a fresh, colorful look to NASCAR during the 90s, capturing fans' attention with his vibrant paint scheme and Gordon's smooth yet competitive racing style. Thank you everyone for joining the journey of making NASCAR car bodies. If you enjoyed anything in the world with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery. See you again!